Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel T Canada Vlogs. Today is Sunday and we have come for kids haircut. So शायद एक साल के बाद हम बाहर आके हेयर कट करवा रहे हैं. पिछले बार तो हस्बैंड ने ही काट दिया था बच्चों का बाल. So this is the place where we have come. It's known as Cookie Cutters. So let's go inside and see how it is. It's pretty expensive from what I saw online. What are we here for, Kian? Kian, no, that's closed. So this is how a hair cutting place looks like for kids. Tiana, no. This area is closed for the time being for COVID. Tio, this is something which is available here for kids for you to buy. You can see hair accessories for girls, baby girls. What do you want? What do you want? And these are also available. What? Key?
They get a balloon after the haircut.
Kian, come here. Kian. এখন বসো, ওটা নেব না. You will get a balloon after your haircut. Kian, you ready for a haircut?
And you guys come short together.
Mama,
Here.
go there. Go to daddy, baby.
As short as possible.
Tio. So Kian is ready for a haircut.
Tiana's haircut is what kind of haircut will she be getting?
We'll see now.
Looking at my back,
So Kian's haircut is done.
I'm trying to figure out why you
Very
can
good.
tell that stay. And I know when you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't grow. And I know when you know all the things that broke us. I see how the way you move. Take my hand and follow me. You
So Kian got a balloon for being such a good boy and getting a haircut.
You fantasy.
Bono also got a balloon. Kian, baby, look here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. Actually मैंने अपना जो पुराना वीडियो है जो बच्चों का हेयर कट वाला वीडियो था वो एंड नहीं किया था. So I'm just going to give you a summary of what happened when we went there. Actually the pricing bit I wanted to share with you. So you must have seen the video wherein I shot all the snippets of what is happening, what happens when you go for a kid's haircut here in Toronto GTA. तो हम गए थे Cookie Cutters and we went for Kian and Tiana's haircut. So we could only get Kian's haircut done because when we asked for the hairdresser to cut hair for Tiana, she was like that no, she doesn't need a haircut right now because if we cut her hair short, she will start looking like a boy, which you would not want. So she advised me that you come back when her hair grows, and then we can give her a perfect haircut. We can give her some bangs and style her hair and everything. So I really was impressed, because usually in India, when we used to go to a beauty parlor, a salon, they all the hairdresser or the other service providers there, they used to tell us that no, you do this add-on, do this, do that, your skin is not good, you start facial and everything. They used to keep adding on services to increase the prices. The thing about Canada, which I really like, is that they will not force you to do things which you do not want to do at that point of time. Instead, they advised me against getting my kid's haircut done, my girl's haircut done, stating that she might start looking like a boy if we cut her hair shorter. Tiana now has a boy cut, but then I can manage her hair which comes in the front through clips and everything. So I was really surprised and pleased with the fact that I could save some money out there. तो कियान का जो हेयरकट हमने करवाया, that was for $27, including tax and tips. Yes, hairdressing is a service in here in Canada, and just like a server in a hotel or in a restaurant where you have to tip. Tipping is very important here. तो हमारा भी यहाँ पे ऐसा था कि we had to tip her, and she did a great job. You saw that if you have seen the video, you saw that Kian was seated in an airplane kind of a chair, and then they were playing Paw Patrol, one of his favorite cartoons, on TV while they were getting on a small screen actually, while they were getting the haircut done. And the decor and the ambience of the place is such that it's very attractive to the kids, and usually the kids do not fuss a lot. हम कियान को पहले भी लेके जा चुके हैं cookie cutters. So I will mention the details about this in the description box below. Also, you can see on the screen as to what other places are there for getting your kids haircut done. I prefer cookie cutters. मैं अलग जगहों पे भी कटवा चुकी हूँ कियान के बाल, but then मेरा favorite है cookie cutters, because the hairdressers are such that they ensure that the kid does not fuss over or cry or something. There is a small play area too, but due to COVID reasons, it's closed at this point of time. आपने वीडियो में तो देखा ही होगा. So yeah, that's about it. So including tips and taxes, taxes is GST and HST, which is 18%. Everything is taxed here, and the taxes are pretty high in Canada. For the goods and the services that you get, you have to pay a tax of 18%. It sounds like a lot, which it is, but then if you are in a particular earning bracket, it is still okay. I mean, you can live comfortably even after paying this much tax. तो बात करते हैं, वापस आते हैं, बात करते हैं हमारे बच्चे के हेयर ड्रेसिंग की. So yeah, we had a very good time there. Even the kids enjoyed this haircut. Tiana का तो haircut हुआ नहीं, but then they gave her a place to sit, a pink car, if you had seen the video, and they played her favorite Paw Patrol while Kian was getting his haircut done. So all this took us around 15 minutes, and there were other kids too who had come for the service. They have a small little play area, but and all the cookie cutters in and around Toronto GTA have this small little play area for kids to just go and play in there. But since it is COVID and you have to do social distancing and maintain all protocols, this area was closed. So hope you enjoyed my vlog and loved my video. If you did enjoy my vlog, please go and subscribe to my channel Atty Canada Vlogs. Also please hit the bell icon and subscribe. As I said, hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications whenever I post a new video. Hope you enjoyed my vlog and liked it. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me throughout this journey. I hope I get your support in the future as well. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.